Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to call someone using Google Meet. This can be for a class meeting or catching up with a friend. We will walk you through the quick and easy steps to start a call. Now let's get started. On the Google Meet dashboard, go to the upper left corner where you will see 3 lines. We click this main menu, and then we will see the option for calls. Just click on Calls. From here, we can search our contacts. Let's select a contact. We are calling this person. We can choose either a voice call or a video call. Once we start a voice call, a window will pop up showing that it is calling. We can answer or hang up. Now let's try a video call. Just click the person again, then select video call. Once we click video call, another window will pop up, showing that we are calling. And that's it. We now know how to start a call on Google Meet in just a few simple steps.